Medi-Iq is a patient-controlled medical knowledge graph. Today, a person's health records are scattered across every hospital, clinic, and doctor they've ever visited, so clinicians prescribe blind, and patterns across years go unnoticed. Medi-Iq links every diagnosis, drug, doctor, and visit into a single connected graph per patient, and an AI agent reasons over that graph in real time. Two signature features: Silent Guardian, which checks a new prescription against a patient's entire history, including a reaction recorded years ago by a completely different doctor, and flags dangerous interactions before they happen, and a consent-based access model where nothing is shared with the doctor until the patient explicitly approves it and can be revoked live at any moment. Patients can also self-register and upload their own medical reports, text or files, to build their own record from scratch. How Cogni is used. Cogni is the memory/knowledge graph engine at the core of the backend. It's what turns raw clinical text into a queryable graph. Ingestion: Cogni.add plus Cogni.cognify. Every patient document, a clinical note, lab report, or uploaded file, is added to a patient-scoped Cogni dataset and processed into a knowledge graph. Entities like drugs, diagnoses, doctors, hospitals, and dates are extracted automatically and linked by relationship, for example, prescribed, diagnosed, allergic to. Graph storage. Cogni manages this per-patient graph using Kuzu, graph database, and a vector store side by side, run entirely self-hosted/local in this project. Visualization: the app reads Cogni's raw graph, nodes plus edges, directly from its graph engine and renders it as the interactive force-directed graph the user sees, colored by entity type, drug, diagnosis, reaction, hospital, etc. Silent Guardian deterministically traverses that Cogni-built graph to trace allergy/reaction paths, including cross-reactive drug classes, for example, penicillin to amoxicillin, so the danger detection is reliable rather than left purely to AI guesswork. The explanation of the danger is then generated by an LLM grounded in the patient's record. AI chat: ask about this patient. Answers are grounded in the patient's full record, built from what Cogni ingested, scoped strictly to that one patient so a doctor viewing patient A never sees patient B's data. In short, Cogni is what turns a pile of disconnected clinical text into the one navigable per-patient memory that every feature in the app, the graph view, the guardian, and the chat agent, reads from.